In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in Hootsuite. First, open Hootsuite and head to your dashboard. Look for the Compose or Create Post button. It usually sits at the top of the screen. Clicking it opens the post editor where you'll build everything in one place. If the wording looks a little different in your version, don't worry. It serves the same purpose and takes you to the composer. Next, choose the social account you want to post to. You can select a single profile or multiple ones if you're sharing the same message across platforms. Make sure you've connected the right accounts ahead of time and that you have permission to post to them. As you select accounts, keep in mind that each platform has its own best practices, so you may want to tailor wording slightly even if you're cross-posting. Now write your caption or post content. Keep it clear, helpful, and aligned with your brand voice. Start with a strong hook or value statement and add a simple call to action like learn more, shop now, or tell us what you think. If you're posting to platforms with character limits, watch the character counter in the composer so nothing gets cut off. Read it aloud once to catch any typos or awkward phrasing. If needed, add images, videos, links, hashtags, or tags. High-quality visuals tend to perform better, so choose sharp images and short, engaging clips. Check that your image sizes match platform guidelines to avoid awkward cropping. If you paste a link, make sure the link preview looks right. You can usually edit the title or description if available. Use hashtags that are relevant and specific rather than overly broad, and tag partners or featured accounts to increase reach. Keep it intentional. Only add elements that support your message. When your content is ready, choose the date and time for posting. Open the calendar in the scheduler and pick the day that aligns with your campaign or content plan. Double check the time zone in your account settings so your post goes out exactly when you expect. Consider your audience's habits. For example, lunchtime or early evening often works well for engagement, but go with what your analytics suggest. Finally, click schedule to save the post for later. You should see a confirmation that your post is queued. If you need to make changes, you can return to your planner to edit the caption, swap media, or adjust the time before it publishes. That's it. Your content is set to go live automatically, giving you more time to focus on strategy and results.